Good morning, Bucks and Rebels. I hope you are having a great morning. Today is Wonderful Wednesday. It is Wednesday, April the 15th, 2020. So we are going to have a great day today. We're going to do some spicy word problems today. We're going to see what that is. And so thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you, parents. Continue to allow them to work hard and continue to remind them that Miss Flynn believes in them, their brother and sister believes in them, and you believe in them too. So they can do anything they set their mind to. So when they get to on their own, say, baby, you can do it. Because Miss Flynn knows you can do it. So let's get started. So I want to share my screen real quick, and then we'll do the fluency. So first, let me tell you our goal for this lesson. So our goal for this lesson, repeat after me. Repeat after you. I can count and circle 10 objects. I can count and circle 10 objects in pictures of 10 to 20 objects. In pictures of 10 to 20 objects. I can describe it as 10 ones and blank ones. I can describe it as 10 ones and blank ones. All right, let's get started. So first, let me do my fluency with you guys. So I'm going to flash these dots. You guys have been getting so good at this. So I want you guys to be able to tell me how many dots you see. How many? 3, that's right. How many? Ooh, 10. How many? Awesome, 9. How many? 8. How many? 7. 1. 4. 6, good. 5, awesome. So that's how fast we need to go, okay? So we're gonna get better and better at it every day, okay? So let's get started. So our at-home suggestions, you will need your 10 frame. So you can just continue to use your one from yesterday, so you can fold your paper and use that same one from yesterday. So let's get started. So we're going to do a few together, and then some of them I'm going to get you to pause your screen and just do it on your screen. Okay, so we have some dots here, and so they're not grouped yet. So we need to count the circles and group them. Can you count the 10 ones? Let's count them. Let me get my pencil out, because it's a good idea to put a mark on them so that we know which ones we've already counted. So ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our 10. So today we're going to put check marks on them and circle it. So we have 10 ones, and how many more? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we have 10 ones and 3 ones. So we aren't going to circle the ones that we have left over, but we are going to circle our 10 ones, because we have 1 10. Right here we have 1 10. So we have 10 ones. And how many ones left over? And 3 ones. But 1 10 right here. So let's go to our next one. So we're going to do the next one together. And then I can't wait to see what you guys are going to do. All right, so this one's a little bit harder because it's all together. It's all mushed together. So now we need to prove that we need to find our 10 triangles in this group. So we need to prove that there are 10 ones. So we need to put marks on them and circle them. So let me get my crayon out. Let's put our marks on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, we're circling the 10 today. So we have 10 ones, and how many left over? And 1 ones. So I'm going to put my 10 ones here, and then my 1 ones. Awesome. So we have our 10 ones and our 1 ones. All right. So that one maybe wasn't too hard. Uh-oh, spicy. It's getting a little harder. Now the dots are all spread out. So now we really have to prove that we have 10 ones within these dots. So how are we going to prove it? That's right. We have to put a mark on it and circle it. So this is where I don't want you to draw it yet. I just want you to pause your screen and I want you to count your 10 ones and then your brain figure out your 10 ones and then how many are left over. Pause your screen. Okay, now let's check your work. Okay, so first we need to count our 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it okay if you counted your 10 differently? Yeah, it's perfectly fine. So after I counted my 10, I have to circle it. So I have my 10 ones, and how many are left over? 3 are left over. If you got it right, kiss your brain. Say, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Good job. So now we're going to write 10 ones and 3 ones. You guys are getting so good. And so we have our 10 frame here. So you can also use your objects now. So now we can draw them in our 10 frame. So how many is in our 10 frame? How many do we have in our 10 frame? 10, that's right, because we have a full 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many circles are on the outside, should be on the outside of our 10 frame? 3. 10 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So this picture shows 10 ones and 3 ones because our 10 frame is full, and we know when it's full, it has 10 in it. And then it has 3 ones on the outside. Good job. You guys are so smart. Let's see if you guys can do the next one. Oh, this is getting so harder. Okay. So once again, in just a second, I'm going to get you guys to prove that there are 10 ones. And then I want you to figure out how many are left over. So I don't want you to draw them. I only want you to pause your screen and count them on the screen and then figure out how many are left over. So first you need to find your 10 ones and then how many are left over. Pause your screen. All right, let's check your work. Let me get my pencil out. We need to mark 10 and circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, and circle it. So we have 10 ones, and how many left over? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, if you had 10 ones and 5 ones, give yourself a hand, and a da-da-da-da. You rock that. Da-da-da-da. You rock that. Good job. So you guys are getting the hang of this. I'm so proud of you. So then we're going to write our 10 ones because that's what we made. We made a full 10 ones. And then we had 5 left over. All righty. Let's go on to our next one. You're doing such a good job. All right. So this one is a little tricky, but not as tricky as the other ones. The other ones, if you were able to do that, you got this one too. So once again, you have to prove that there are 10 ones, and then you have to find how many are left over. Pause your screen. All right, let's check our work. Ready? Let's find our 10 ones by checking them off and circling them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Make sure you circle them. All right, so we have our 10 ones. And let's see how many are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left over. If you got that right, give yourselves a hand, and a boom, boom, boom. Nailed that. I changed it a little bit, didn't I? Boom, boom, boom. Nailed it. Good job. Good job. All right. So we're going to do this one on our own, together, or you can go ahead and do it on your own. But the next one's going to be your homework. So, but this is going to kind of help you with your homework, okay? So this one, it says count and circle 10 things. Tell how many are there in 2 parts. 10 ones and some more ones. So what we've been doing, okay? So we're going to, just like they did up here, they just circled the 10. But so that we know that we only circled 10, we're going to mark out each one so that we make sure we only circled 10. And then the ones that we did not circle, those are the ones that are what? Left over. Good. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. All right, let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we're missing a number. What goes here? I have how many apples? How many apples were we circled that we have a full bundle of apples? 10. That's right. We have a full bundle of 10 apples. And how many left over? And 2. 10 ones and 2 ones. Great job, leaders. You guys are ready for first grade. Your first grade teachers are so proud. All right, and this is your homework. You're going to draw a picture to match the words. So make sure you circle your 10s. I have 10 ones and 8 ones. All right, so send me a picture. And just like yesterday, I want you to hold up your work so I can see your beautiful, handsome face, because I miss your face and I love seeing your face every day. I really miss it. So I really do appreciate seeing your cute face every day with your work. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you did good with those spicy problems. I'm sure they were easy peasy. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.